Hi everyone. Today, right, I just want to discuss about some financial product that I got some question from our member. Let me go to the first product that we monitor and predict is under ARTT on 22nd April. This is a Bitcoin that we already predict under ARTT. In this case, right, on that time Bitcoin is swing around 9,000 something, and we think they should have to run the way up and test around 10,000. After hit 10,000, they should retrace around 7,500. Retrace from 10,000 to 7,500. That means retrace around 25%. Hey man, this is very big retracement. If you think right, Bitcoin is easy to trade, I just want you to change your mind, because Bitcoin is not easy to trade. In case you don't understand, after retrace, right, Bitcoin may run the way up to 14,000, around that. This is just my scenario, and we just want to follow what happened after we predict about Bitcoin. Price follow us or not, or price not follow, or how about our scenario? We should follow this scenario or not? We go to Bitcoin for now, right? From our predict, go to 10,000 and retrace to 7,500. This is the last price for Bitcoin that Bitcoin have chance daily bar around here. This is a Bitcoin high. They make high around 10,000. That quite correlate with our prediction. After that, they retrace around, now it's around 8,566. From our scenario, this is our target is around 7,500. That means they still have room to move down around 1,000 points. But we're not sure they will retrace or not, but because it's just scenario, I want you to think, right, when we analyze it's around here, but we predict price move around 1,000, 10,000. After that, retrace. That means we predict move up, we identify target. After that, price should retrace. Retrace from 10,000 to 7,500 is quite significant. Okay, I will monitor this and follow this. What happened? Market will follow us or not. Okay, but now they already hit here at retrace. We should monitor our Dow Jones Index. Dow Jones Index now, last time we mentioned that this is a weak support. Weak support, that means price have chance to falling down and move lower than here. But because of market is always dynamic, they show this strong reversal up. Strong reversal up is mean they have chance to move up and break above previous high. Now they already break above previous high a few points if you monitor this. Now if you ask me what happened in future, in this case market already make high and high or low. To follow Dow theory, and from here to here, heads of gangster at third floor. Heads of gangster at third floor. That means it's very strong. Very strong, it means price have chance to run away up. But for ARTT, we didn't follow buy. We may wait until price retrace again. After price retrace again, we may follow this Dow Jones index. If some product is follow Dow Jones, maybe Thai index follow Dow Jones, or you think FKLI follow Dow Jones, that means next week you may saw index move up. But in ARTT, I'm not believe that index will follow together. We should analyze based on market discount everything. Now we go to goal. Goal is we analyze on this, and we hope price will run away up and break above here. After we analyze, right, market rebound here and here, they still have room to grow, and we need to monitor market. If market run up very fast, yes, that means buyer is strong enough. If buyer is strong enough, it have chance to break above previous high. If cannot, you should monitor and adjust your trading plan. Okay, come back to stock that many people always ask me. This is Apple that maybe some of you already support the product. Maybe you support iPad, you support iPhone, you support iMac, MacBook Pro, or something like that. Because of they just launched a new iPad that can use Apple Pen. That's very amazing. In this case, right, Apple is move up after they make lower low, and move up like this, right? Trend is not strong enough. If trend is not strong enough, they may have chance to retrace here. After retrace here, market will make higher high and higher low. After retrace finish, I want you to monitor reversal pattern. If this reversal pattern that happen in future is strong enough, maybe it's your chance to buy when market retrace. And if you monitor on this, right, this is a strong reversal up. Strong reversal up, that means price have chance to move higher than previous high. And now I want to come back to Thai index, SET. SET, right, we just analyze based on ARTT, and we point this in our Facebook, A, B, C, and this target down. In ARTT, right, if price cannot hit target down, that means they have chance to rebound. To measure rebound, right, it's very simple. We apply Fibonacci to measure. Okay. Target is quite high. Target is now multiplied by 1.618. In this scenario, right, it's just a case study. If you don't have experience, if you always think if any seafood say target here, target must hit here, if not hit here, that means methodology is wrong. If you think like this, right, don't follow, because market is based on possibility. This is target is just possibility. If you don't have knowledge to analyze, market have chance to hit or not hit, don't trade, because you may lose a lot of money. In this case, right, to move up here, right, market should show this strong reversal up. That means on the next week, Thai index must close on Monday higher than 1,781. If they close on Monday higher than 1,781, that means our scenario is high chance to hit. If not, you should consider to change scenario. On this loop, right, from here, rebound here, and retrace here. From here, rebound here, and retrace here. These two loops show God power up. God power up, that means market have chance to give you minimum target, right, higher than 1,805. Okay, this is minimum target. In this case, that means this is your stop loss if you trade. This is your stop loss. This is your minimum target. This is your maximum target in terms of intermediate term. Okay, and let me come back to very popular product. Popular product, right, is fbmkl or FKLI that we already mentioned before election. We hope this will rebound and run away up and hit 2,200. If you are trader, right, if you are trade future market, I think in terms of theory, you should put stop loss allowed here. Okay, if you are long-term trader. If you are short-term trader, right, let me show you some idea. Market still didn't give you stop loss because market should retrace here first. Okay, to retrace here, right? Why they should retrace? Because they have a strong reversal down here. But if price retrace but cannot move lower than here, that means it still have chance to move up. This is just my scenario. And come back to FCPO, it's very popular product. Now, right, as I mentioned last time that we draw the line from, we draw the line from here and click here and click here. After that, we move here. Okay, if you follow our Facebook, you may know that ARTT version 2, if you are if your knowledge is already updated to version 2. Version 2 is mentioned price cannot break above this high. Okay, price should what they call retrace before hit here. That means market is follow. If market move down here, okay, if market move down here, let I show you something. Okay, click here. If on Monday after market open, if market, this is the target for target down. If price cannot hit here, one more round. If price cannot hit here, that means it still have chance to move up. If price hit here, that means it's positive for move up. You should adjust your scenario. Okay, and that's all for today because I already ordered my supper and I'm already hungry. My supper tonight, right? Wow, I ordered chicken rice from one store. That very yummy. Okay, it's my time for supper. Thank you very much and hope you enjoy for trading and hope you enjoy to learn trading every day. If you have any question, just post your question under my Facebook or under my YouTube. Thank you very much. See you next round.